Hi, it's Alex from draft.io. I will walk you through your first steps with draft.io in this video. First, I am going to show you how to navigate the draft. To move the document around, simply click and hold, then drag and drop it. As you can see, the draft is infinite and allows you to move in all directions. Press the Control key while using your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. You move up and down like this when you only use the wheel without pressing the Control key. Then, to select several objects simultaneously, you must press the Control key while clicking and dragging around the objects you want to select. You can also select objects one by pressing the Control key while clicking on each object you want to select. To add text to the draft, you can either double-click directly on the draft and type the text, like this. By default, the object created is a small note. Or go through the toolbar Tools and click and drag the text object you want to add. In this example, I'm going to add a sticky note. When you double-click again on the draft, you will directly create a text object of the last type that you created. Here it is a sticky note. This means that the tool remembers the last type of text object you created to allow you to add text very efficiently. You can transform a given text object into any other type of text object. In this example, I will turn the sticky note into a card. To create a link between two objects, just click on the line button in the toolbar and connect the object's blue connectors. These turn orange when you are about to link the object. The link is curved by default, but you can change it to a straight link or a right-angled one. To add some structure to your draft, you can add frames. By default, the frame is coloured but slightly transparent. You can put an opaque coloured background on it, or remove the background and just leave the frame. Next, we have the envelopes. These make it possible to manipulate objects in a powerful way, like these sticky notes, mimicking what you can do in the physical world in the virtual world. With envelopes, you can dynamically group a set of objects to reveal themes and create meaning on the fly. As you can see, the envelope's shape adapts to its content. To remove an object from an envelope, simply shake the object against the border, or you can use the button that appears above the selected object. To add an object to an envelope, you must click and drag the object inside the envelope and hold the click on the object while it is in the same place for a fraction of a second. A circle then forms, signifying that the object has been added to the envelope. Of course, you have the option of drawing either directly on the draft, like this, or using the handwritten sticky, which will create a container that adapts to the size of the drawing. And finally, you can upload files and especially images using the Media button. You also have access to a bank of icons. These can be used to make your workshops more cheerful and allow participants to express themselves visually. You can also add web pages or online video links. When the landing page allows it, a link preview thumbnail is created by default, like this. That's all for this first video. You are now ready to start working visually on draft.io. See you soon in other videos.